My name is Greg Strandberg, and I've been a customer of Lauderdale Collision Center as long as I can remember. A lot of businesses talk about customer service. Lauderdale Collision Center delivers. From dropping my car off to keep me updated on the process as the vehicle's going through the repair, to when it's time to pick it up. When the delivery is particularly impressive to me, they walk around the entire car with me and make sure I'm satisfied with the repair. Lauderdale Collision Center offers their customers tours of their facility, and they have a very impressive facility. I think it's very unusual for a collision center to offer you a look at the behind the scenes. So Lauderdale Collision Center goes out of their way to do that. They want you to see the type of repair facility they have, and it is impressive. I would recommend Lauderdale Collision Center to anybody in need of collision repair services. From their state-of-the-art facility to their customer service, they do a fantastic job from start to finish.